Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and today I'm in North Seattle, the View Ridge neighborhood here. And this is a house that's getting ready to go up for sale. Today is about August 14th, and this is going to go up for sale Labor Day weekend, this property is. So I'm taking a look at this lawn. I've just aerated it, and I'm going to apply a wetting agent here very soon. What a wetting agent does is break down the tension in the soil. So here we have a sprinkler head, and as you notice right near the sprinkler head, this lawn was pretty nicely watered this morning, but this part of the yard, it's a clay-based soil here. This spot that I am looking at right here, this clay has got ionic bonding on there. What that means to you as a homeowner or to another landscaper, this soil, the clay, is now repelling the water and not allowing the water to get in very well. What a wetting agent does is stop this ionic bonding and break down the tension in the soil and allow the water to uniformly move through the soil profile. The wetting agent that I am currently using and been using for the last 4 years now, it's a golf course quality product, a granular. And it allows the water to move through the soil profile vertically and horizontally. It's actually to treat the soil, and some wetting agents are made to treat the thatch layer, but this wetting agent is made to treat the soil, and it works just incredibly well. So for homeowners that are seeding their lawns in fall, and homeowners that are trying to have a nice lawn in the summer and spending a lot of money on water and it's just not working. Lawn aeration with a complement of a wetting agent. These two are a 1-2 punch and make a fantastic difference. The weather's changing here in Seattle, and what used to work is no longer working. The weather's getting warmer, and a lot of the houses are being built on a construction grade soil, so that it's graded out just for construction to be put on there. And with the newer houses, very, very good soil is not brought in, just maybe an inch of a local topsoil, maybe just for grading purposes. And who knows what's underneath there when they're building houses and who's throwing what onto the lawn. And the sod guy just has to roll it out. But this is what I see out in the field. You'll notice one of these plugs here is really moist, but a lot of them aren't. And this just shows what happens with a lawn and the actual water movement through the soil. Okay, and here we are right between two sprinkler heads, and a little bit different section of the yard here, but still, as we look down and we take a look, there's a nice aeration plug that's nice and moist, but right next to it, a lot of dry plugs, and so the wetting agent, what it really does is just allow water to get down to the root zone. And in Seattle, Washington, water costs a lot, especially during the month of August. So if you're watering your lawn, it really doesn't make sense not to hire someone like me to come on in, aerate your lawn, and then put on a wetting agent. These are just one of the examples that I see out in the field each and every day, and that's why I'm shooting this video. And this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. I shoot these videos on the fly, as they happen, unscripted. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and this is a follow-up video, my results. Today's September 9th. This house is currently up for sale. It's in the View Ridge area. And this is a lawn that I had aerated, seeded, and fertilized here in August. And I also put on a wetting agent here. And I was just getting it in preparation for sale. And now it's September, and these are the results. And this is what my work looks like here. I put most of my efforts into the backyard, honestly. But that's all locked and I can't get back there. I can see the lawn, it looks beautiful, but I can't get a camera picture of it. And like I say, this one's currently up for sale now. This is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.